I'm not talking about large telescopes. I'm just talking about simple Yagi antennas. Only that you have to have a good receiver. And remember this, that as I told you on this paper is very interesting. You must see this paper, which will tell you that corona by itself has so many components built into it. And for me, for going for any eclipses, for every eclipses, that is there in my mind. Whether I am going to see something new, whether we are going to find, there's one thing which I want to, should I share with you? I want to share this with you. You should look for if there are any coronal mass condensates, which means within the wires, within the magnetic field lines, there are polar regions of corona, which are encapped between the two coronal streams. Now that we are trying to look for. They are not being successful so far, so good, so we will be chasing more eclipses. Can we have the next slide? Now this eclipse is a very unique eclipse. For me, I was looking at this eclipse for pure 6 minutes and 30 seconds. The longest solar eclipse, and that we were observing from La Paz, California, New California, Baja California, Mexico. And you will see that the sun was there, completely there, for full 6 minutes and 30 seconds. So why? Again, we had only films. But what we were able to see, this was happening in a desert. This was happening in Baja Desert in Mexico. And just before the eclipses, we were seeing owls coming back into the roost. Rattlesnakes making noise and going into the pits. And then further, most interesting, smaller animals were trying to hide. And we were put up in a very large camp at La Paz, for there were people from all over the world looking at this eclipse. And let me share this information with you. Longest eclipse theoretical is 7 minutes and 12 seconds. And we were looking for this eclipse for 6 minutes and 30 seconds. By the time, I will tell you, no eclipses are alike. No eclipses. Whether it be a shorter eclipse or a longer eclipse, but the way the eclipse and the corona reveals is fabulous, is truly fabulous. People were dancing after seeing this eclipse, and it was more of a, not a beer dance, it was an eclipse dance. They were so happy, so happy. And after seeing a corona and then to dance, here we were able to see it. So this is also what I want to share with you. In spite of the corona, which we are all locked down to, there is a corona which is going to bring you out and make you good nature observers. Can we move to the next slide? Again, this is the same eclipse, except that you will see the streamers are streaming out. How far? If you take the sun's diameter and make 20 times the sun's radii, you will find the streamers going that far. So you can well imagine what would be happening every day when the sun is giving out so many coronal streams. And again, all these images were taken on Kodachrome and later digitized. So there is nothing that these images were only possible for great setups. No, you can also do this. It is not that we were able to do it or somebody. Yes, when you are going to observe it, there are helping hands to tell you what you should be doing, how much should be your exposure. This kind of learning is a process which you learn during a solar eclipse. Can we move next? Now you see the same eclipse. I have given you the same coordinates, and the number of people over there was more than 4,000 to see this event at La Paz. So you can well imagine what each camera was able to get. So don't be under this fear that sun will be definitely showing its different faces to all its observers. Remember this. We were able to see the faintest star was 6.2 magnitude. We had telescopes, we had cameras, we had good people to help us, and all this was possible. So, a solar corona, the longest eclipse, is what I'm still cherishing here with. Can I share my personal note on this? My personal note, I want to share it. Am I audible?
Sir, you are audible, sir.
I have a small personal note on this. For this eclipse, let me tell you, most of the eclipses was helped by non-astronomical institutes. They were helped by, in this case, I was helped by my own vegetable vendor next door to me, who said, why don't you go for the eclipse? We are proud of you, or we are happy that you are going to go and see it. So they were giving us soft loans without interest to go and see the eclipse. Another event I want to share, in fact, it makes me emotionally a little sad that we had so many institutes. Still, the effort from that vegetable vendor, from that travel agent, and from so many people, the helping hands came up. In fact, to tell you a short tale, when I landed in La Paz, the flight reached at 2 o'clock in the morning. And normally, the process in Mexico and US, they close down the airport after the last flight is come. Which means you are not even allowed to stay inside the airport as you do it at T1, T2 and so on. What happened there? There was I was waiting and there was no rooms, no hotel available. There was one, for me, a lucky taxi driver who said, where do you want to go? I said, I want to go to La Paz. And I had landed in La Cabos, which was nearly 200 kilometers from La Paz. So he said, see, there are no buses operating at this hour. So why don't you come and stay in my shed for that night, and early morning I will see that you are reaching the bus stand so you can go to La Paz. And mind you, I had to stay with him overnight at his shed. And why he gave me all this? Because it is the helping hand. And this helping hand helped me all the way to go up to the bus stand, and from the bus stand he instructed. I could not speak Mexican, but this person knew broken English and he helped me. When I went to pay him, he said, no sir, we are proud that we are having people like you coming all over from India to see the eclipse. And he did not take a single taxi fare from me. Except he said, whenever you go back to India, can you give us your film your film magazines can send it to me. I'm a great fan of Indian films. That is all. But in La Paz also, I was dropped just outside the hotel in which I was supposed to stay. And again here, I want to share with you, a corona here doesn't mean a lockdown. You are actually traveling to so many places, seeing so many events, and this is what happens for any eclipse chaser. This is my experience I am sharing with you. Can I have the next slide? Yeah, one more slide which I am showing you. This was taken by 80 mm size refractor, and you will see more details here. But one of the most interesting feature is here you find a jet which is called as a coronal jet. And here the reddish thing that you see are prominences, which means the gases from the sun are thrown out. And that's how we are able to see a prominence also during the solar. So can we move further? I think, can I continue?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, now I'll hurry up a little more because I have already crossed 1 hour mark which you gave me. So this eclipse happened in India. Sorry. Yes, this eclipse